The greatest seismic shift in the music industry right now isn't a new genre. It's the emergence of the true AI artist manager, a single, unified dashboard for the independent musician. We've talked for years about disparate AI tools, Suno for production, various image generators for art, but the current, defining trend for 2025 is the integration of these features into a cohesive, full-stack solution. This is a game changer that completely levels the playing field, making the traditional manager an optional luxury for the first time. Take the buzz we're hearing right now around platforms like CDK which is an established name in independent artist promotion. The industry is watching its latest development, an AI co-pilot dashboard, which exemplifies this convergence. What was once a collection of separate tasks now flows through a single mission control. The core of this model is the campaign context, where an artist plugs in their release name and goal, and the AI instantaneously generates a complete, step-by-step marketing plan. The power here is in predictive strategy, not just content creation. We're seeing features like a Trends tab that uses pattern recognition to identify emerging microtrends and, critically, provides a shockwave strategy, which is a creative prompt on how to innovate on a trend, not just copy it. This moves AI from being a content mill to a genuine strategic partner, helping artists capitalize on cultural shifts before they hit the mainstream. Furthermore, this new generation of tool has tackled the biggest hurdle for indies: creative bandwidth. These dashboards can generate logo concepts, merchandise ideas, and even professional bios tailored to different tones for press kits. When paired with a lyricist's assistant and an art tab for instant album-ready visuals, the platform essentially operates as a full-service creative agency that's available 24/7. This isn't just promotion, it's total career support, from the first lyric to the final pitch email to a playlist curator. The message is clear. The AI co-pilot is replacing the hustle with a hardwired strategy, and any platform that doesn't offer this level of integrated autonomous management will soon find itself obsolete in the indie music space. This holistic approach, covering strategy, content, outreach, and creativity, transforms the artist's challenge from managing a dozen different tools into mastering a single dashboard. It's a powerful statement that success in the digital music era is now less about who you know and more about the power of your AI co-pilot. To unlock this cutting-edge AI artist manager and stop guessing and start growing your music career, you need to head over to cdkradio.com right now. Don't let your competition get a head start. Make sure you log on to the website, subscribe to our email list for exclusive updates on new features, and follow us on all of our social media channels for the latest breaking news in the music world. Your future is waiting.